So, this is a taping video for Kinesiology 353. This is for a sprained thumb. We're going to use some pre-wrap and we're going to use some athletic tape. We're going to work on the medial side of the hand, so it's basically going to be, for me right here, the anterior portions. All we're going to do is just get the pre-wrap. Going to do a nice gentle wrap around the hand, and we're going to have a little hole. It's going to wrap around. Just like so. Down, over, to wrap. Actually, I'm going to do it one more time. Just to get that hand locked in place. The first two that we're going to do, we're going to do our anchors. So the first one, what's it going to look like? It's going to go starting from the base of the wrist. And we're going to wrap all the way across, all the way around. We can do 1 or 2 times. I'm just going very quickly. About 1.5 rotations. Just making sure that it stays in place, because if not, it will roll up, and that's one thing I do not need to have. And the second anchor will be along the distal phalange of the thumb. So there is our first 2 steps is to get the anchors. So the anchor 1 and then the anchor 2, because basically we're going to have cross sections that will go from the base of anchor 1, going from the posterior anterior view of the hand. So the first one we're going to do, so we're going to place our first, so thumb located just up, just like so, Jay. Hold it up, just like that. Lock it in place, just like so. So every time that we're going to do the extensions of it, we're going to lock it in with some more supporting tape that holds it in place. So we're going from the, like I said, posterior to anterior view. We're going to do this. Do the foundation again to lock it in place. So that these two are anchored down very securely. That way it does not roll out. Just like so. And we're going to do this step 2 more times. So from here, keep it up. Our second tape, nice and locked in. And our second one on the back side. So rotate your hand. Perfect. That's what I want. So from here to there. Do another rotate it just like so. And we're going to lock it in place one more time. Oh man, the tape is very, very stubborn. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to do a longer one. And what's going to happen is we're going to do a cross section of the tape. So let's get up a little bit longer. Because what it's going to look like. So you're going to start from the base all the way around. It's going to be basically like a figure 8. Wrap around. This keeps it locked into place. And do the same thing one more time. Trying to not let it roll. Okay, so the next thing, this is a little shortcut that I learned, is that we're going to do the figure 8, but however, just going to cross each section along here. Which is, like I said, it's a little shortcut for me. I saw several different methods of how this is going to be done. This is one way. And then the other way was going from on top of the thumb, keep this locked in place. So this is kind of like I guess like a shortcut. Because with this tape, it can be complicated. But we want to keep this nice and tight, anchored. So it's going to keep it from overextending. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over the videos of the exercises, okay? Alrighty, Mr. John. So now we're going to do a couple exercises with your hand. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab this ball. Now, just with your thumb, you're going to press it down. And we're going to do this 5 times. Just as a quick little demonstration. But normally we would do this 3 sets of 10, but you would do a 5-second hold. So in the future reference, we will go over that again. So we're just going to do 5 of these. For the next one that we're going to do, because we were only working on the thumb and the muscle groups that surround it. The next one is a small little putty. All we're going to do is place it right in between the thumb. Kind of like the same thing what we were just doing with the ball. But all you're doing is squeeze, you hold, you let go. So squeeze, let go. We fix it and adjust it, just like so. We're going to do this total of 5 times. And then let go. So you feel the muscle group working a little bit more as opposed to the ball?
Yes.
Good. Because what happens with the ball is you can use more of the end portion of the thumb. With this exercise, you're actually using more of your the proximal muscle groups and the thumb. So we're going to do one more.
No.
So go ahead and squeeze. There you go. And relax. Good. So how does your thumb feel right now?
Good.
Good. So the last one. All we're going to do is we're going to open your hand. We're going to rotate it upward. Place this rubber band into here. So the only thing you're going to do is you're going to open your thumb away from your hand. So we're going to just like that. Because basically we have some resistance to work the muscle groups that surround the thumbs and then the metacarpal. And then so open and close 5 times. 2. So you can see the weakness right in here with your thumb. 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. So these are the exercises that we're going to prescribe to you right now just for the hand, just for the thumb. So you only do with each one 3 sets of 10, or if not to the point of comfort, if there's any pain, you will just stop. Other than that, then we will see you on your next trip into here for your thumb, okay?
Understood.
Thank you.